Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Today, we're going to talk about a product that promises to tackle one of the most common hair concerns: damaged hair. If you're someone who's constantly battling breakage, split ends, or just lackluster hair, you might want to pay attention to this one. We're reviewing the Redken Extreme Length Conditioner, designed to fortify, strengthen, and condition your hair while also promoting hair growth. It's infused with nourishing ingredients like biotin and castor oil. So let's dive right into it. This conditioner comes in a sleek bottle, and it carries a floral scent, which isn't overpowering but still quite pleasant. It's formulated for adults and is designed specifically for damaged hair, whether from heat styling, coloring, or general wear and tear. The standout ingredients here are castor oil and niacinamide, both of which are known for their strengthening properties. Castor oil particularly has a reputation for promoting hair growth, and niacinamide is great for nourishing the scalp and improving hair health from the root. Now let's talk about how it performed in my routine. The texture of this conditioner is creamy yet lightweight, which makes it easy to apply and spread throughout the hair. It doesn't weigh the hair down, which is a major plus for those of us with finer hair types who still want the benefits of a rich conditioner. The product rinses out easily, leaving hair feeling softer, but not overly coated. I used it over the course of a few weeks, and I noticed a few key things. First, my hair felt noticeably smoother after each wash, with fewer tangles and a lot more manageability. The real test came with breakage. After a few uses, I could see that my hair felt stronger, with less shedding, which is a huge win. I also did feel like my hair had a bit more volume and body, likely due to the nourishment from the castor oil. As for the growth-promoting claims, I can't say for certain if it significantly sped up hair growth, but I did notice less breakage and healthier-looking hair, which is often the first step toward achieving longer strands. Pros: strengthens hair. The combination of castor oil and biotin helps reduce breakage over time. Great texture, lightweight and easy to apply without weighing the hair down. Smells good. The floral scent is fresh, but not overwhelming. Easy to rinse out. It doesn't leave any residue behind. Cons: growth claims are hard to verify. While the product strengthens, it's difficult to measure hair growth directly in a short period. Price point: it's a bit on the pricier side for a conditioner, so it's important to evaluate whether it's worth it based on your hair care needs. Now, in terms of value for money, this conditioner falls in the mid to high price range. But if you're battling damaged hair and looking for a product that offers a combination of strengthening and conditioning benefits, it might be worth the investment. The presence of castor oil and biotin, both known for their hair benefiting properties, makes it a solid choice for those serious about hair care. In terms of comparisons, there are certainly other conditioners with similar ingredients, like products from brands such as Shea Moisture and Olaplex. But what sets this one apart is its dual focus on strengthening and promoting growth. While Olaplex may be more known for repairing damaged hair bonds, Redken's formula focuses heavily on reducing breakage and nourishing the scalp, which could be a more targeted solution for certain individuals. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is sturdy and the bottle dispenses the product easily, no mess or waste. It's also travel-friendly, as it's not too heavy at 0.7 pounds. As for the longevity of the product, I found that a little goes a long way. I only needed a small amount per wash, so a bottle lasts longer than you might expect. As for customer support, Redken generally has a strong reputation for handling inquiries and providing helpful support, but I haven't had to directly interact with them for this product. Now, for those of you who might be looking for alternatives, I would recommend considering Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly. It's packed with similar ingredients like castor oil and shea butter, and it does a fantastic job at strengthening and nourishing hair. Another option is the Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner, which focuses on repairing and strengthening, but comes with a higher price tag. In conclusion, the Redken Extreme Length Conditioner definitely delivers on its promise to strengthen and condition damaged hair. It's a great option for anyone dealing with hair breakage or wanting to add a bit of thickness and shine to their strands. If you're willing to invest in a high-quality conditioner, it's worth giving this one a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this conditioner, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.